Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a large panoramic glass roof, there's full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, you get tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine, gives you 130 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 11,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.